Best in Street Dancing. And the winner is Surigao City Central Elementary School. Congratulations, Surigao City Central Elementary School, in partnership with TAF National High School and Barangay TAF.
Hello, ayan naman si Sis Yuhan. Ito. Ilang? 150,000 pesos? Pila man?
Sabi na daw?
Yan pa, yan pa.
Oh, Chirky naman. Gatawang sila Chirky.
Oh, sa mga best.
SM.
Best in street dance, best in costume. Gawa pagaw naman.